Hi everyone, I hope everyone has an amazing day. In today's episode we're gonna do something very simple. We are in Svelte environment, of course. We're gonna see if and else statements, how we can use them inside Svelte. They are very simple, they are very useful, and I hope you're gonna like it. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and please like this video in order to go more up into this YouTube algorithm. I'm a new channel obviously and I need more audience. Thank you from now. And let's jump into the build. Here we have the counter page. We have two buttons of minus and plus. We have this counter indication which we are presently in 0. And let's build our if and else statements and see what's going on. We have this the tricky parentheses. We're doing this alt and 3, this hashtag symbol, and we say if. Oops, I'm going to write it in small. And we are closing this if statement with this slash symbol, and we're writing if. Okay, here obviously we're going to get an unexpected white space error because we didn't give any specification inside the if statement. And now we are giving it, and if we say count equals to 0, let's do something. Let's say oops, with double O, oops, you are presently 0. Okay, save it. Here we say oops, presently you're 0. Let's increase the count and see what we are getting in return. Oops, nothing returns because this statement, it's not supported by the counter. If I go back to 0, oops, you're presently in 0. Now, how we can write else statement inside Svelte environment and inside if statement. Here we're opening our curly brackets and we say else. And if we are not support with this statement of 0, what we can write here down? Presently, you are in count number. Okay. Let's do it. Oops, print you're in 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, and etc. So we have something more else to add here, and this is the else if statement. How can we also use it inside this if statement and above the else, which is our default else statement? We're coming down here and we go before the else statement, which is our default and result statement if we are not supported without any of this. And we are writing the following: else if let's say count equals to 5, then write the following: h3, very nice, you have reached number count. Okay. Oops, you are in presently 0. Let's see the result. Presently you are in 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number. Very nice, you have reached number 5. And our statement is not supported anymore. And we're continuing to your number 7, 8, 9, 10. Presently you are not number 10. And we need something. Why I'm not surprised, because I came to number 10. So here I'm going to do another one else if statement, and I'm going to say else if count equals to 10. I want to write something here and say congrats you reached 10 subscribers. Subs. Thank you, channel. So, in present number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, very nice. You reached number 5. 6 number, 7 number, 8 number, 9 number. Congrats, you reached 10 subs. Woo! So, if an else statement was like this, I'm gonna keep it very simple. I don't wanna make the video too long because no one is gonna watch it, obviously. Thanks for watching me. Please like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to go more up in this YouTube algorithm. As I said in the beginning, I am a new channel. Thanks from now, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.